Food rules are failing women. How to build a sustainable nutrition routine that actually fits your life. Hey everyone, it's Francesca. Welcome back to Ways to Wellness. If you've ever found yourself saying, I know what to do, I just can't seem to stick to it, this one's for you. Today, we're talking about why food rules are failing women. Because chances are you've tried at least a few of them. Keto, intermittent fasting, low carb, cutting sugars, and while they might work for a little while, they usually end up leaving you frustrated, tired, and back at square one. This episode is all about how to break free from that start over Monday cycle and build a nutrition routine that fits your real life, not your fantasy schedule. Let's be honest, most women know what healthy eating is. We're not confused about fruits and veggies being better than donuts. The problem isn't knowledge, it's application. And what's stopping that application? Rules. The food rules we've been fed for years: don't eat after 7 p.m., carbs make you fat, never skip breakfast. Are these all sounding familiar to you? Always eat breakfast. Wait, there's more. Sugar is poison. And clean eating only. A lot of these are typical. Clean eating only. At first, rules feel safe. They give structure. But over time, they become cages. I had a client once who wouldn't eat dinner with her family if it was past 6:30 because she was terrified it would ruin her metabolism. She'd end up snacking at 9 p.m. out for pure hunger and guilt. That's what happens when food becomes a moral issue instead of fuel. We're either good or bad, on or off, and it's leaving you constantly at war with yourself. Who wants that? Most women are stuck in what I call the diet pendulum. You swing from one extreme to another. You start strong, no sugars, meal prepping, tracking macros perfectly, and feel great for a few days. Then life happens. We all know what happens. Work gets busy, your kids get sick, you forget to pack lunch, and suddenly we're grabbing a sandwich and chips. Sound familiar? And instead of just moving on, guilt kicks in. You tell yourself, quote, I blew it. I'll start over Monday. Then Monday comes. You're back at restriction. That constant on-off cycle keeps your brain and body in stress mode. And ironically, it slows progress. Because when you restrict too much, your body adapts. It gets efficient. It burns fewer calories. Your hunger hormones go haywire. And then the second you eat normally, your body clings to every calorie because it's scared you're starving it again. That's not lack of willpower, ladies. That's biology trying to protect you. So if the rules don't work, what does? Structure, not restriction. Here's what that means. You give your body consistency and flexibility at the same time. You plan ahead, but also leave room for real life. Here's the 3 core principles I teach every client. 1, eat real meals, not grazing snacks. If your entire day is a handful of almonds, you know I got to you, a protein bar, and then a massive dinner, your blood sugar is all over the place. You're not bad, you're just underfueled all day and over hungry at night. Build 3 balanced meals with protein, carbs, fats, and color, and add 1 or 2 snacks if needed. Simple, not fancy. Number 2, ditch the cheat meal. I can't tell you how many times people ask me about cheat meal. That mentality has got to go. Food isn't cheating. If you love pizza, plan for pizza. If you enjoy desserts on Saturday, make that part of your structure. When you plan indulgence, you take away the shame. And ironically, it's easier to stop at 1 slice. Here's number 3. Measure success by how you feel, not just what you weigh. Ask yourself, am I sleeping better? Do I have more energy? Do I feel calm around food? Those are real metrics of progress, because the goal isn't to eat perfectly, it's to eat peacefully. Most women don't need another plan. They need to rebuild trust with their body. Think about it. You've probably ignored hunger cues for years, drinking coffee instead of eating breakfast, pushing through fatigue, relying on discipline instead of intuition. Reconnecting with your body starts small. Eat before you're starving. Stop when you're comfortably full. Pay attention to what meals give you. Is that more energy? The awareness is where food freedom begins. And when you pair awareness, small structures, that where sustainable nutrition lives. So here's your small challenge for this week. Pick one food rule you've been clinging to and break it. If you've been terrified of carbs, add some rice or fruit back into your plan. If you've been skipping dinner to save calories, eat a real nourishing meal and notice how your body responds. The more you build trust with yourself, the less you'll need rules to control you. If this episode resonated, share it with another woman who's stuck in that all or nothing cycle. And if you want help building a routine that fits your real life, you can reach out to me through my website or Instagram, because girls, you deserve to feel good without being perfect. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you at the next episode.